the conversion of expression, that is infix expression to prefix and postfix form, and we said that it will be totally dependent on the evaluation sequence, where we will have to consider the priorities. Brackets will have the topmost priority, followed by multiplication and division, and then plus and minus. Multiplication, division, they are equal priority, and plus and minus are again equal priority, to be scanned from left to right. So we are not going to jump to the brackets directly. Instead, we will have to travel from left to right, see two consecutive operators. If equal priority operators are there, then you are required to evaluate the left one. Like in this case, the evaluation sequence will go like this is minus and minus, so first minus will be evaluated. Then you have got minus and star. When you try to evaluate star, you will find that it is star and slash, again equal priority. Among them you will have to evaluate the left one, that is star. So it becomes E1 minus E2 slash A star. Now it is multiplication and division. So division should be subtraction and division. So division should be performed. Division and multiplication. So division should be performed. So it becomes E1 minus E3 star A minus B star C. Then again minus and multiplication. So multiplication should be done first. Multiplication and bracket. So bracket should be evaluated. Now bracket is higher priority. Inside the bracket, minus and star. So star should be evaluated. It becomes E1 minus E3 star A minus E4. Then multiplication, but minus inside the bracket. So it is E1 minus E3 star E5. Then it will be E1 minus E6 E7 is the answer. And once we do this particular evaluation sequence, then converting it to postfix or prefix will be easy job, because now you will have to travel in the reverse direction. Like for postfix, you can start from E7, which is going to be E1 E6 minus. Okay, in postfix it is operand 1, operand 2, and then operator. So it is going to be E1 E6 minus, which will be equal to E1 is AB minus, E6 is E3 E5 star minus. So it will be AB minus, now E3. E3 is E2A slash. So it is E2A slash. E5 is A E4 minus. So it is A E4 minus star minus, which will be equal to AB minus E2. E2 is CD star A slash A. E4 is BC star. That's it. And then minus star minus. That will be the postfix. And in prefix you will have to keep the operator before the two operands. Okay? Make a note. And of course this can be also expressed in the form of a tree, like the final answer E7 is subtraction of E1 and E6, where E1 is again subtraction of A and B, whereas E6 is the product of E3 and E5. E3 is division of E2 and A, and E2 is multiplication of C and D. E5 is subtraction of A and E4. E4 is nothing but product of B and C, where we can express it in the form of the tree. Okay, make a note.